Welcome once again. I'm still in Kwale County, in coastal province of Kenya. So this will really appeal to those people who love nature, because I'm just taking an evening walk, and I decided to use my phone to take a video of this beautiful scene. As you see, it's all green. We have different varieties of species of trees, and I'll be walking so that you can see most of them. By the way, this is a very green environment, fresh air, and it usually fascinates me to always take an evening walk so that I can interact with this beautiful nature. Yeah. Ahead of me, I can see students, not really students, but pupils from school going back home. My love for nature started way back as a child. We used to live near a forest, and I could not resist the temptation of the beauty of nature. These are kids speaking Swahili. I hope most of you have had one or two about Swahili. So here, this is one of the big mango trees around here. If you see it, we have this is a small forest, a small forest around Kwale County, and it will be my pleasure to show you around so that you can see a bit of these beautiful trees, the green environment. You see the biodiversity. So I'm just taking this, then I'll upload it in my channel so that those people who love nature can have a glimpse of this. You know, it's not easy for anyone to be in Kwale. You know, Kwale is one of the remote areas in coastal town. So for you to be in coast, it won't be easy. So I believe this is a privilege for you to see this beautiful environment, green and very calm, a lot of trees.